In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unprotect a sheet in LibreOffice Calc. If you've ever opened a spreadsheet and found you can't edit certain cells, the sheet is likely protected. Unprotecting it is quick, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can get back to editing with confidence. We'll cover what you need to click, how to handle a password prompt, and a few tips to avoid common snags. First, launch LibreOffice Calc. If your spreadsheet is already saved somewhere, open that file now. If you're just starting from the application, you can open a recent document or browse to the file you need. Keep in mind that Calc files can have multiple sheets in one document, and protection is applied per sheet, not to the entire file. So we need to target the correct sheet before we change anything. Next, look along the bottom of the window for the sheet tabs. Click the specific sheet you want to unprotect so it becomes the active sheet. If you don't see the tab right away, use the small arrows at the left or right of the tab bar to scroll through the list of sheets. It's important to select the right one here, because the Unprotect action only applies to the sheet you've made active. Now, move to the top menu bar and click Tools. This is where Calc keeps many of its protection controls. In that menu, locate the option labeled Protect Sheet. This item acts like a toggle, and it also shows you the current status. If the sheet is protected, you'll see a check mark next to Protect Sheet. That check mark is your visual cue that editing is currently restricted. Go ahead and click Protect Sheet. If the sheet was protected without a password, Calc will remove protection immediately, and the check mark will disappear the next time you open the Tools menu. If a password was set when the sheet was protected, a dialog box will appear asking for it. Type the correct password and click OK to proceed. Passwords are case-sensitive, so match uppercase and lowercase letters exactly. If you don't know the password, unprotecting won't be possible. You'll need to contact the file's owner or the person who set it. Once the password is accepted, the sheet is unprotected. You can confirm by trying to edit a previously locked cell or by checking that the Protect Sheet option no longer shows a check mark. When you're done, save your document to keep the changes. If you ever need to protect the sheet again, return to Tools and choose Protect Sheet, and consider setting a password you'll remember securely.